Hello children, welcome back once again to our online session. Children, today I am going to explain you the topic not only but also. Not only but also these are coordinating conjunctions. Generally we use coordinating conjunctions for making the sentence compound. Many times we are told to use not only but also in the sentence. So let us see how to use not only but also. Whenever we are told to use not only but also, the first question which arises in mind is where to use not only and where to use but also. So I'll explain this point in a very easy way. See here. Whenever we are told to use not only but also, we find that either and is used in the sentence or as well as is there in the sentence. Mostly it is in the middle part of the sentence. So what we have to see, if and is there or as well as is there, we have to see the part of speech of the word which is given after and or as well as. Suppose after and verb is there, then we should find out which is the verb in the earlier part. Here we have to find verb. Suppose after and or as well as adjective is there, then in the previous part of the sentence we have to find out where is the adjective. Suppose after and or as well as a noun is there, then we have to find out which is the noun in the earlier part. Now, once we find out two words having the same part of speech, it is very easy to use not only but also. Before one word we have to use not only, and before another word by cancelling and or as well as we have to use but also. Now the same points I'll explain you through the sentences. See here. First sentence. He was tired and thirsty. In this sentence, what we have to do? We have to use not only but also. So as I said that whenever we are told to use not only but also, first of all, what should we do? We should see whether and or as well as is there in the sentence. Here we find and. Now after finding and or as well as, we have to see the part of the speech of the word which is given after that. Here thirsty is adjective. Now if this is adjective, in earlier part of the sentence, means the part of the sentence which is given before and, we should see which is the adjective. Now let us see which is the adjective. So which one is the adjective here? Yes, here the adjective is tired. Now if we find two words having the same part of speech, now it is very easy to use not only but also. What we have to do? Before one word we have to use not only, and before another word by cancelling and we have to use but also. So what will be the answer? The answer is he was not only tired but also thirsty. Okay, now see one more sentence. The water is both saline and alkaline. So here and is there. Which word is given after and? Alkaline, and here it is functioning as adjective. So we have to find out one more adjective before and. What is that? Yes, it is saline. Now if we find two words having the same part of speech, as I said, what we have to do? Before one word we have to use not only, before another by cancelling and or as well as we have to use but also. So the answer will be the water is. Now one more important point is there. Whenever we are using not only but also, in the answer we cannot use the word both. We have to cancel the word both. The water is not only saline. Now by cancelling and we have to use but also. But also alkaline. Now see one more sentence. He opposed the caste system he stood against the social evils. Now here two independent sentences are there. So here also we have to do the same thing. We should see which two common words are there which are having the same part of speech. So in the first sentence we find that opposed is the verb, and in the second sentence we find that stood is the verb. So now it is very easy to use not only but also. Before one word we have to use not only, and before another word we have to use but also. And one more important point is there. Remember that while using not only but also, if the same subject and the same verb is repeated again, but in answer that subject or that verb we have to use only once. Now here also the subject is he, here also the subject is he. Same subject is used twice, but in the answer we don't need to use the subject twice, we have to use once only. So the answer is he not only opposed the caste system but also stood against the social evils. See, after not only opposed is the verb and after but also stood is the verb. One more sentence. Boys as well as girls like to play cricket. In this sentence as well as is there. Whatever meaning is there of the and, same meaning is carried by as well as also. So here we have to find out which word is used after as well as and what is the part of speech of that word. So which word do we find here after as well as? Here it is girls. It is a noun. If it is a noun, then in earlier part of the sentence now we have to find out which is the noun. Which one it is there? Yes. Now when we find two words having the same part of speech, it is very easy to use not only but also. Before one word we have to use not only, and before another word we have to use but also, so here the answer will be not only boys as well as we have to replace with, but also girls like to play cricket. So student, I hope that you have understood this topic. For exercise, let's meet in the evening. Till then, it's goodbye.